Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already set company and year. Now act. Open Gateway of Tally, press Vouchers, then choose Journal. Make sure the ledgers you need are created, party, expense, bank, or suspense. If a ledger is missing, press Alt+C to create it inline. Enter the voucher date first to ensure posting period accuracy. Once done, tab through reference and narration fields so your entry will be traceable. Narration helps audit trails and future searches. You now book the core entry. Type the debit ledger name and the amount. Specify bill-wise details or cost center if this transaction affects receivables or internal costing. Next, move to the credit ledger and input the exact balancing amount so the voucher stays balanced. Use Alt+R for bill allocation, F12 to adjust behavior, and provide concise narration to explain the business purpose. Make sure any tax ledgers or inventory effects are included before saving. You're ready to finalize. Press Enter to save and then review the voucher in Daybook or Display Account Books Journal. If you need to adjust date, press F2, or to edit, press Enter on the voucher in the Daybook and modify fields. If totals don't balance, confirm each amount, check for accidental credits or unposted ledgers, and look for rounding differences. Correcting the offending line fixes most issues. When stuck, undo the voucher and re-enter carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.